Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another tie-dye. We're washing out the fitted sheet. I guess you could call this the pastel one. The other one was neon. I guess you call this pastel, but very bituminous nonetheless. These they hold a lot of dye. Look at the size of that thing, it is so huge. To the inside?
To the inside.
Alrighty, in the bathtub now, finishing the rinse out. Oh, let me check. I don't think we got it. The last one had the coolest tail running down the drain. It looks so awesome. And I think this one's gonna do the same. The hot pink, so vibrant in the last one. That still looks really cool. Alrighty, time for the unbanding of this giant curling stone. Ooh, look at that. First little peek. Looking pretty good. This is the fitted sheet, so this is going to be the one that we see the most, probably. All that trash that was in there, yeah. This one kind of dragged the ground a little bit when she was twisting it, but that's okay. There's just so much dye in these, it takes a hot minute to get it all rinsed out.
just want to go ahead and pull it up.
Yep. You ready? Let's see what we got.
You
gonna turn that off? Alrighty, let's see what we got. Give me a corner.
I was about to say, there's a corner right there.
Okay.
See it?
Yeah, I see it. Okay. Are you taking it? Okay.
You can get that one. That way it's a long ways. Ooh.
Look at that. Wow.
You see it?
Okay, yeah. That's pretty cool. Check that out, people. Look at that spiral. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. You'll get to see it better when we hang it up outside. Yeah, look at that.
Wow.
Good striation. No toss. Sorry, people. Too big. Get a little toss. Yeah, a little bit of a toss. Definitely gonna want a lot of powder on this one. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay, that actually came out pretty good. I wish I could stretch it out a little more to show you, but this is like, it's about as good as I could get with the amounts that we had in the fence. If we do more of these, I'll definitely make some larger ones. But yeah, look at that. Nice spiral, good definition on all the colors, all the way from each individual edge. You know, just a good gradient of colors all the way to the middle, which did not turn just straight brown, which was our main fear. And yeah, every corner, all of it looks really good. This right here is probably like the only thing I guess you could call a defect, even if not, I mean, whatever, area of concern. But yeah, I wouldn't even say that. You know, you're gonna have stuff like that when tie-dyeing, and you can probably even barely see it on camera. But yeah, other than that, this thing is flawless. We're definitely gonna do more of them, and let us know what you think about it in the comments below and what colors you would like to see us try next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.